Texas homeowners pay some of the highest insurance premiums in the country, and rates are increasing by double digits year over year. Fox 4 Sean Rabb in the newsroom with what Texas lawmakers are trying to do. Sean.
Yeah, and what they didn't do this session, there were 3 bills introduced to address rising insurance rates. None made it to the legislative finish line. Mortgage companies require homeowners to have insurance protection, but right now, no protection for homeowners or those working toward the American dream from increasing insurance premiums.
How about let's get the insurance checked on even before we do any other due diligence on the home? That's the first thing during your option period that I'm telling my buyers to do, just to make sure they can actually afford the insurance premium.
Homeowners insurance, the new home buying hindrance in Texas. For people like single dad Miguel Castro, looking to become a homeowner for a few years now.
What have you been learning as you've looked at insurance, as you're searching the market?
Yeah, I mean, they've doubled. I first started looking back in 2022, right after COVID. And back then it was only, I think it was going to be between $1,000 to $1,200 for the year.
Yes, sir.
And now it's looking like maybe $2,200 for the year, so that's double.
Insurance is going anywhere from 20 to 60% increases premiums year over year. And that's been consistent over the last 2 and 3 years. So that's for somebody that's already in their home.
And Doreen Diego, who moved to Texas in 2019.
We started at $1,200 a year. The next year, which would have been 2020, not much of an increase at all, very minimal.
Moving to this Denton County neighborhood in 21. Her insurance premiums moved also.
And I realized we went from $1,200 to $1,700. Still within reason. The next year we went to $2,700. The next year we went to $3,700, and our renewal just came up this month. We just paid it at $4,700.
Lawmakers have worked to bring property tax relief, but property values rising as property taxes dropping. Our state and the nation has had catastrophic weather, from wildfires to terrible tornadoes, horrific hurricanes and hailstorms, and pipe-breaking winter storms. But whether you ever file a claim, your premiums go up just the same.
And how insurance works is it's a spread risk, across. So I think even more so than understanding why we're in this predicament, there needs to be a recalibration altogether of what the insurance companies are doing.
What has to happen to keep these rates from going up?
What I see a lot of, what has to happen, I think we have to raise awareness. What I see is there's people talking about it everywhere, but I'm not sure I'm seeing action taken.
And Realtor Ashley Gentry saying the same thing. We have to raise awareness. She says while the legislation didn't get traction this session, it's an issue that certainly won't go away, and maybe we'll gather more support for rate regulation in the next couple of years.
Indeed, Sean. Thank you.
All right.